This is Mitch Panter with the law firm of Panter Sampedro. I want to talk to you now about what's called sovereign immunity. And what this means is pursuing a case against a city, a state, or a governmental agency, whether it be the city for a sidewalk case or the police department for something that the police officers did bad, or a negligence case involving a governmental property or some injury that you sustained as a result of being on a government property. The law in Florida is that sovereign immunity exists to the extent that you want to pursue a case against a governmental agency. To do so, you can't just file a lawsuit. What you need to do is file a notice, and you have to give the governmental agency 6 months to investigate the case. It takes a little bit longer, but it's a requirement. When your case first comes to the law firm of Panter Sampedro, the first thing we do is send out a notice. It's called a 768 notice, and it gives notice to the governmental agency that you're going to pursue a case against them. If your child is hurt at a public school, that's required. If you fall on a sidewalk, that's required. If you're involved in an accident with a police officer or some other governmental agency, a person that's driving a government vehicle, you're required to give them notice. After the 6 months has elapsed, then you can file a lawsuit and pursue with a case. There are certain limitations by way of money that you can get in a case involving sovereign immunity. Talk to Panter Sampedro so that we can discuss with you your rights as it relates to a case against a governmental agency and how sovereign immunity might impact you and your case. Panter Sampedro is a law firm dedicated to protecting Florida's families.